Hey guys, it's me Tiesto Wilson basically, and I'm going to do an unboxing today of the Adidas Gazelles OG. And if you can see the box, that's not the little box, that's the big box. That's the big box. Yeah. Yes. I'm just doing it real quick. Got them size 5.5. Later I'll probably do a review. And I also got the Adidas LA trainers, which are very nice, are very comfortable. And I recommend getting them if you're a running type person and a stylish person. So anyway, continuing with the unboxing. If you see the box again, just be a reminder. Sheets after sheets, sheets after sheets. Then the beauties, Adidas Gazelles. If you can see, it says Adidas Gazelles backwards. No. I give you a slow, steep peek. And yeah, for some reason it doesn't say Adidas inside when it should do. I think it's the kids version. So yeah, I've got the kids version, so the probability and majority of the kids' shoes to be more exact, have no Adidas sign instead, and no Adidas sign which I should have, but I didn't. So yes, you come with red laces, red, the Adidas signs to the stone, the sole, and the laces are nice, soft, firm, and to be not cheating, this is the other shoe. I'm gonna actually wear them later. I heard that they're designed for football, street football, so that sounds pretty good. Yeah, and yeah, actually, it's pretty good. Like nothing in the box. There, the sign again. This is actually, I really like these shoes. I tried them on yesterday. Like just walking back, they're actually comfy. Because some shoes are like aching, like hurts always. Like I don't know, it's just bad. But these I recommend buying these. Like Ben Warburton, Josh Lowe, and other people. That's a shout out. Matthew Greeno, and other people. They're my subscribers, but enjoy the subscribers and please put in the comments and like, not to like, no guy like, but like, comment for which video I would, well, what video I would make next time. Well, I'm doing review. And what video I'm gonna do next time. Fingers crossed. And subscribe if you're not, if you've never subscribed. So just smash that button. But don't smash your screen. Or smash your mouse or something. Because that's what I tend to do when he says smash the button, like bang. Nah, just okay. See ya.